February 25th, 2020 was a great day. Ton of flips, plenty of opportunities for members of FlipSniper to buy and resell. Right now, I'm going to go through the recap of everything that happened yesterday. So, as you see, we did the Luke Combs, what you see is what you get tour. We had the verified fan codes and the bootlegger fan codes for that event based off something from before. We had to sign up for it. Anyways, I advise getting pit general admission floors, general admission. I also went for floor tickets, and let's see, where is that? Here it is. I bought at Memphis floor tickets. I bought it for 3 different events. Memphis floor tickets and Raleigh floor tickets. I'm not gonna count New York City because I only bought 1 ticket from there, which was a mistake. But it's all good. For Memphis floor tickets, projected profit based on I paid $106 per floor seat, and based off Stubhub's recommended listing for that specific seat, it's profit of about $200 per unit. It's like $361 they advise for that, and then Stubhub charges 15% fees, and then subtract the cost of their ticket, and that's where we get $401.50 for both tickets. Projected profit of $200.75 per ticket. Obviously, this is going to be a long investment because the concert isn't until July or something. I'm not sure exactly when. So that was the first thing we went for. Raleigh is actually much better. They recommended $410 per floor seat because those tickets are a little bit better and a better venue. So that's a profit of $246 per ticket. The max you could get was 6 tickets per event, but because of everyone's going for it at the same time, demand could only go for 4 at a time from Raleigh, and I could only go for 2 at Memphis. If I was a little bit quicker with the mouse, I probably would have been a little bit better. Also, so we did that. Members got a few things, so that I know people got tickets in all different kind of venues, not just those 2 venues. So we're just waiting to see how those do. Yeah, pretty successful. I know someone in the group already sold a few of the tickets. They went for nosebleeds in one of the cities. I forget which one it was, and they did, and they're already selling tickets. Basically made their money back already. We're just selling 2 of the 6 tickets that he bought. So great event. Next we had, so that was at 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, and 12 and 1 o'clock, depending on just a few things. All right, but then there was a first off the line, Panini Select basketball cards. If you know anything about basketball cards, they've been doing crazy this year. They had a limited release on Panini. They only made 3,900 of these boxes. How it works is it's a Dutch auction, so it starts at $750 per box, and then it decreases in price every 5 minutes until the product sells out. You can read that right there. The floor was $250, so normally people like to purchase it before that. I advise the groups not to buy unless it's at $350 or less. It did not make it to $350. I believe I said it sold out at $437.50, which I can do some quick math. And here, I'll find it for you guys exactly. So if I pull up this little calculator thing, 475, is that what I said? 437.50. And then we got to worry about shipping costs. Probably only cost like $5. We have to insure it because it was such a big price. So $10 to ship it, and the resale price is gonna have to be like $550 just to break even. $530 just to break even. Big investment, and I'm not sure exactly what they're going for. Here, I'll pull this up over here. So it's 2019. 20 select, and then we'll do a little bit of, try to capture every kind of variation of typing they would write in. So sold items, so far only 3 of them have sold on eBay, and I didn't accept the price for this one so we can find out what it was. So we said $437.50, selling price of, we'll say 550, 660, and 625. I'll say an average about 625. Shipping costs, I actually would have been pretty good. Then again, it's a reverse auction. It was a Dutch auction. We have no clue when the product's gonna sell out. I wanted to wait until it was a lot lower. That's why there's only 3 sales right now, because the price is way too high for the value of the product, and just having the insight of knowing the market for those things, for those cards. I knew it wasn't gonna be selling really fast, and for that, putting that much money up and not getting a huge return, it could be a little bit frustrating. So I wanted to make sure that the price would reach $350, which I knew it probably wouldn't have, but that was my advice. Next, we had the Hot Wheels Redline Club membership sign up. The price was $30 per year. I think with tax and shipping and everything like that, it was more than the $37 that I had said. It was actually $40, depending on where you were. To me, I can pull it up right here. I have it listed. The RLC membership, I replaced the name because it's a product that we get as well. But it costs $40.22, and so basically what that was is you need RLC membership group to get exclusive products. So this was some of the products from last year. They had the Tootsie Roll Hot Wheels that was profiting $19 each. They had this huge 2019 Hot Wheels mainline factory set that was retailing for $550, reselling for $900. I don't have the exact profit for that, but that's profit. Other one they did was $25 and reselling for $60. So there's a lot of limited releases they do. They do about one a year. They do about one of those releases a month, and you need the membership for the year to even qualify to purchase those. So, and just what we get from it, they give you the 2020 RLC Nissan Skyline GTR, this product right here. So all you have to do is just basically resell that, and you actually make profit just on the product you get once you sign up for the membership. So I know I got 2 memberships, and other people in the group, they got 1 each, I believe, something like that. So that's an easy $7.74 of profit. And that's not including all the profit we're gonna make for the future releases that they do for the RLC. So, and then also another one we did was Obey posters, voting rights are human rights. That one, it's not doing as good as we anticipated. Let's see, I believe the cost for me was $79.63. Original cost $79.63, and the reselling price, all right, sorry, got cut off. Anyways, original cost was $79.63. Let me check that. Yeah, and of course 79. I need to find a better tool than this little Chrome thing, but shipping costs probably cost honestly like $10 to ship this thing, because the odd shape of the posters or whatever. Selling price of $125 is basically a $20 profit, which isn't that bad, but I was expecting this to sell at least to be at $150. The similar releases in the past was better. The design on this isn't that great. That's probably why I didn't resell for so much, but I wanted a little bit more profit on those. But $125, we're still profiting pretty well, and $20. So, and I got 2 of them. I know people in the group got 1 of them, pretty much each. And then I don't even know what these are. Okay, so basically what these are down here, I basically take some of these out, like I blank them out, just because I don't want you guys to see exactly what the product is without being a member of FlipSniper, for obvious reasons. Over here, this was a product that was bought from one place and resold onto Amazon. Profit of $14.18. Today was a slow day on Amazon. I only got 1 sale on Amazon today. But that's all right. We did pretty well with the Luke Combs concert and the RLC, and even the Obey was $20 profit each. All right, and then now for this product over here, we actually just bought this. We didn't sell it. They're just adding to the inventory right now. The website we got it from is a product that's reselling for, look at this profit on this. $35 profit per unit for this one, if these numbers are right. They're not. All right, so it's not that much. It should be probably, realistically right now, is like that minus, I would say something about, I don't have the exact numbers, I can't pull it up right now. but that's about $20 profit for each of those. And I'll probably just copy and paste that right there. And $34 for this one, because it's the same product, but I got it for a different price. Now, that's the same product that I've been buying and selling for a long time. I think I've sold like 40 of those things. No, more than that. Probably like between Amazon and eBay, between Amazon and Walmart, I probably sold like 70 of those things, profiting about anywhere from $10 to $20 each over the course of the past month. So that product has been doing really good. This time I bought it from a sketchy website, so I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna receive it. That's what that's what the issue is. So I'm gonna hope that he actually fulfills his promise, his duties as a seller to give me my product, and that way I can resell it and make more. So that was today. Oh, there was more stuff. So I didn't actually purchase this. I was distracted. It was at the same exact time as the RLC Hot Wheels. That was at 12 o'clock. I didn't get a chance to get it. I know this is actually profiting really well. Price, I believe the MSRP was $360. So after, here, we'll go ahead and pull this up. So we'll say 360 times, be careful what I'm showing you. At 360 times 1 point, my tax rate, that's my tax rate over here. Well, actually, I know I can just look this up, because I think they also charge for shipping, which is really crummy of them for such a high price. The KAWS share, we look for sold listings. Someone had the price in his description. Let's see if we can find how much this was for him. Oh, he paid $390. He didn't have to pay for taxes though, that was the thing. So they charged $30 for shipping and taxes. So that's how it went. For me, I'm in Pennsylvania, so they probably would have charged me taxes. So I'm just gonna say 360 times 1.06 plus 30, $411.60. And it's currently reselling for original cost $411, what did I say, $411.60, something like that. And right now we only went for the pink ones. I didn't realize the black ones would be doing so well. Even the blue ones are actually really well. All right, so I was wrong about that advice, but I was pretty sure that only the pink ones would do well, but they all did well. So that one, the selling price of $575, and then probably gonna cost you another $30 to ship it. Profit of about maybe less than that, because these people have their shipping at only like $10. So I'm gonna put that as 10. So profit of $80 for this one item. It's expensive to get, high ticket, but $80 is $80. And so that was one that you could have gotten if you didn't get distracted by the RLC. The RLC is a good investment for the long haul. I would have gotten the RLC over the KAWS at any time. But because of the way that happened with RLC, there was a little bit of a delay. So we could have gotten this one and then the RLC. I had no idea there was going to be like that long of a waiting room. And then the last thing was the Obey voting posters, which I already showed you. Those are profiting $20 each, limit to $550. And like, this is the kind of stuff that I post. Like, that was everything for the day. So Luke Combs, Fresh Off the Line Panini Select, RLC Hot Wheels, the KAWS share, and Obey voting posters. Pretty good day. I think I added a new item to ongoing. Products are available in Walmart and Target. I shared one today for one that's in Target. In some Targets, not all Targets. That's one thing to note before you get in, that you should know that like the things I have listed under ongoing, those are products that may or may not be available near you. A lot of times it's like store specific discounts, and it's like manager specials really. And I basically find those for you and I share them with you. And if I have the time throughout the day, I'll look up everyone. Like I get everyone's zip codes as part of FlipSniper, and I basically help them find local opportunities near them. So if I have time, I know as the group gets bigger, I'm gonna have to find a way to automate that process. I'm currently working on building something for that. Yeah. And then today, the monitors for a big product that's profiting about $120 locally. I'm actually going to meet someone on Thursday to sell a product locally to him. And that profit is about $120 profit. And we've been getting alerts for it all day about it just randomly popping up, restock, restock, restock. And then someone buys it. I'm not sure if anyone from the group is currently buying anymore. I know we probably have a good stock of it now, but it's for most people who are looking for that product, they can't find it online. We have that advantage. We take advantage of it. And I've just been pushing these locally. So yeah, that was today. Today was really good. And tomorrow's not looking as hot as it was today. But this is like a once a week thing. Like usually, like for some reason, Tuesdays and Fridays are like the big release days. So that's it for today. I don't really have much else to say. If you're interested in the group, or if you have any questions about FlipSniper or anything like that, or how the group works, just let me know. I'll leave a comment or something in the comment section, and I'll respond. But that's everything for today. That was 225, 2020, and hopefully we do something well tomorrow.